Namaskaram, all of you, and welcome to Mahashivaratri. On the event of Mahashivaratri, Sadhguru's Isha establishment has sorted out a terrific occasion seen by over 140 million individuals. The celebration in Isha Yoga Center, Coimbatore, has gotten to be one of the most awaited and world's biggest event. This year as well, the night-long celebrations seen immersive contemplation sessions, midnight meditation by Sadhguru, and music and dance. The amazing night-long event took place from 6 p.m. on March 8th to 6 a.m. on March 9th in 22 dialects languages around the world on Sadhguru's YouTube channel. In addition, 1,900 outsiders from 72 countries taken an interest in this program. Devotees interested to take part within the occasion can enroll online for the Mahashivaratri occasion and for volunteering. Within the Indian culture, at one time, there utilized to be 365 celebrations in a year. In other words, the fair required an pardon to celebrate each day of the year. These 365 celebrations were attributed to diverse reasons and for diverse purposes of life. They were celebrated different variables, occasions, or certain circumstances in life like sowing, planting, and collecting. For each circumstances, there was a celebration, but Mahashivaratri is of a diverse importance. Mahashivaratri, the awesome night of Shiva, is the foremost critical occasion in India's otherworldly calendar. The 14th day of each lunar month and the day sometime recently the unused moon is known as Shivaratri. Among all the 12 Shivaratris that happen in a calendar year, Mahashivaratri, the one that happens in February, March, is of the foremost otherworldly noteworthiness. On this night, the northern hemisphere of the planet is situated in such a way that there is characteristics upsurge of vitality in a human being. Typically, a day when nature is pushing one towards one's otherworldly top, it is to form utilize of this. That in this convention, we built up a certain celebration which is a night long, to allow this common upsurge of energies to discover their way. One of the essentials of this night-long celebration is to guarantee that you simply stay wakeful together with your spine vertical all through the night. Shivaratri is the darkest day of the month. Celebrating Shivaratri on a month-to-month premise and the specific day, Mahashivaratri almost seems like celebration of obscurity, Any coherent intellect would stand up to laziness and actually prefer light. But the word Shiva actually implies that which is not, that which is his presence and creation. That which is not is Shiva. That which is not implies in the event that you open your eyes and see around. If your vision is for small things, you will see lots of creation. In case your vision is really trying to find huge things, you may see the greatest nearness within the presence, maybe tremendous vacancy. A couple of spots which we call systems are the most part much taken note, but the endless vacancy that holds them does not come into everybody's take note. This unfathomability, this unbounded vacancy is what is alluded to as Shiva. Nowadays, cutting edge science moreover demonstrates the everything that comes from nothing and goes back to nothing. It is in this setting that Shiva, the tremendous vacancy or nothingness, is alluded to as the extraordinary ruler or Mahadeva. Each religion, every culture on this planet has always been talking approximately the ubiquitous, all pervading nature of the divine. In the event that we see at it, the as it were thing that can be all over obscurity, nothingness, or vacancy. For the most part, when individuals are seeking well being and conversation of the divine as light, when individuals are not seeking well being, when they are looking past their life in terms of dissolving, in case the question of their adore and their sadhana is disintegration. At that point, we continuously allude to the divine as obscurity. Comment your valuable feedbacks in the comment box. Like the video, share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Pranam.